Most people can crank out an AI video in 3 minutes flat, but they totally miss the secret sauce. How to make that actually blow up. In this video, I'm dropping 3 AI ASMR styles that melt brains, 5 tricks to skyrocket your views, my free toolkit, everything you need, and copy-paste prompts to save hours. If you're done with just making vids and ready to go viral, hit like for more viral hacks. Let's dive in. Here's what I made using AI to recreate them. Follow along, and you'll be able to do it too. You only need a few tools: ChatGPT, Canva, or VO3. Most people start by sending their favorite ASMR video to ChatGPT, asking it to break down the structure and write similar prompts. Next, go to Google Flow. Click Add New Project, paste your prompt, and make sure to select VO3 as your model. That way, your video comes with built-in ASMR sound. Then click Generate. And yeah, that can work, but it also takes a lot of trial and error, and it's hard to get something that really pops. I'll explain it in the next section. That's why I spent 8 hours testing and optimizing and built something better, ready-to-use templates that are already tested to go viral. Just change the red parts. That's it. Want something more custom? You've got 6+ variables to play with in each template. I dropped the templates in the description. Totally free. And if it saves you some time, drop a like to help more people see this too. Quick preview coming up, but the viral tricks are right after. Welcome back, and thanks for sticking around. I've got 5 secret tricks that 99% of creators overlook, and the last one might be the most powerful. Trick number 1. Write titles with a hook. Instead of transparent keyboard, write something that makes people curious, like the ones I used in this video. Don't know what to write? Ask your AI. Or grab the free title tool I linked below. Number 2, tag it right. Don't just write ASMR, use trending tags from TikTok, like oddly satisfying or no talk ASMR. Data shows that using the right tags can boost reach by up to 40%. Trick number 3, post at the right time. ASMR works best late at night, around 10 p.m. 81% of viewers watch this type of content to wind down before bed. Trick number 4, your thumbnail decides whether people click. Grab the most eye-catching moment from your video, like a glass apple mid-slice. One creator doubled their views just by improving their click-through rate from 3.7% to 7%. Trick number 5, and this one's everything. Use ideas that feel impossible, like a glass apple getting sliced clean, the solar system spread across toast like jam, or a keyboard made entirely of water droplets. These are the moments that make people stop scrolling. That spark of imagination, that's what turns views into virality. So go for it. Your video might be the next one to blow up. If this helped you out, like and subscribe. I'll be sharing more AI video tricks you can use right away.